Chicken. Doesn't this word just make you hungry? From crispy fried to all-time favorite roast, we all love chicken. But often, using the whole chicken is not always an option, and we find ourselves stuck with a big task of cutting the whole chicken ourselves. This can sometimes be very frustrating and tiring for some individuals, especially if you have a weak stomach and only prefer the final product. So today, I am going to be showing you a very simple way of cutting chicken at home using a sharp butcher's knife. Before I begin, I would like to mention that I am dedicating this video to my colleague Kayla Lynn, who mentioned that she has difficulty in cutting chicken at home. So let us begin with the first step, skinning the chicken. Before I remove the skin, I cut off the tail section as I don't need it, for obvious reasons. I then move on to removing the ends of the wings which are not containing any meat. Then I proceed with cutting the skin from the sides to ease the splitting of the chicken, separating the chest from the legs. Using hands and knife, I separate the chest and the legs so that it is easy to handle for the skinning part. Using my index finger, I start working to remove the skin. By separating the neck. This is achieved by making cuts on both sides of the neck. Now cut down the middle of the chest to separate into two pieces. Use the pointy side of the knife to pierce through the chest bone, and then applying pressure from the other hand on the straight edge of the knife, press down to cut through the bone. Make sure you are not rushing in this step and your hand does not slip off. Now cut along the length of the breast to remove the meat. Cut the breast tender into pieces of your liking. Now cut off the shoulder from the breast piece. Then using the same method of applying pressure on the straight edge of the knife, cut the bony part into small curry-sized pieces. Repeat the steps for the other section of breast piece. Now bring in the legs section. Begin by bending the legs in the opposite direction till they meet each other and you hear a popping sound. Then proceed to remove the glands in the bony section. Then proceed with removing the skin. Again, by using the index finger, pierce between the skin and the meat to separate the skin. Identify the joints that popped earlier and cut into them to separate the thighs. Finally, cut the thighs and legs into piece size of your choice. Make sure to cut the leg pieces at the joint. That's it. You are done. Make sure to clean up the mess. Thanks for watching the video. Do click on the like button to encourage us for more such content.